Bitcoin is performing beautifully over the last 48 to 72 hours. As you guys can see on the chart here, Bitcoin running from about $56,000 per coin, well up above 64, getting ready to test $65,000 per coin. Now, that is a huge gain in and of itself, but it indicates we could be gearing up for another phase of the bull market. And as crypto investors are getting very, very excited, what do you call them? Skeptics, those that are biased, mainstream media, they're spewing nothing but poison into the crypto space by creating lying headlines such as this one. The law is catching up. Gary Gensler's SEC racks up legal wins against crypto. Well, if you only read the headline and you are extremely naive and foolish, you may begin to believe that. But we're going to dive into this article just briefly and talk about why, no, these are not real wins for the SEC in the cryptocurrency space. And in fact, you've got pre-sale tokens out there right now that are gearing up to do phenomenal in terms of both bridging technology, meme coin world gains, and of course, selling out millions of dollars in weeks, man. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we've got Bitcoin on the screen right now. And for those of you that don't know, I am Claybro. Glad to have you on here right now. Bitcoin performing phenomenally. Guys, it is getting ready. As you can see on my screen here, it is testing, and ready to break out of the $64,000 level of resistance that used to be support. And if Bitcoin is able to break back out through that level of $64,000 support, we could easily be gearing up to once again retest all-time highs around $70,000 per coin. So if this action continues on here, it is going to be extremely bullish moving forward for both technical and fundamental traders. So definitely keep that in mind if you guys are looking for a bull market rally and you know that meme coins outperform the rest during times of bull markets. So we're going to jump into a meme coin that I believe could absolutely take off because it combines the best of both worlds in terms of memes and actual utility. But I briefly want to touch on this article right here because it absolutely makes me sick that people write articles like this and they have no idea what they're talking about. And as you can see, it's from Politico, so it's extremely biased to begin with. No, the SEC is not racking up legal win after legal win. What are they considering a legal win when they write this article? The simple fact that judges are not dismissing the cases. That is it. That is a win. It doesn't mean that the judges actually decide in the favor of the SEC. Judges have recently rebuked claims that the SEC lacks authority to police the market. Coinbase, the largest U.S. exchange, lost a bid to throw out charges that it is violating investor protection rules. Number one, okay, Coinbase is already compliant with the SEC where they would not be able to be listed on the stock exchange. Simple as that. Number two, the SEC does not provide them with any reasoning as for their lawsuits. They do not provide them with any guidelines to work within. They are simply suing them so that they can get a piece of the multi-trillion-dollar industry. The mafia is in full swing here, and Gary Gensler is the boss. Now, please keep that in mind. But as you read through this article, you begin to understand the political bias. Stating here with things like GOP lawmakers are the only ones in favor of crypto. They believe it's the future and needs nurtured. But those protecting citizens and protecting the financial system here in the United States, well, they're here to make sure that you have a better future. So extremely disgusting article written here, but I just wanted to bring that up because it shows you that even though crypto is doing very, very well right now, you will always have skeptics. You will always have people trying to tear you down no matter how hard you are winning. Speaking of winning, when the bull market does return full swing, you guys can look at the previous cycles, right? You can go out there, see 2017, yes, Bitcoin led the rally in 2017, but altcoins soared. 2021 bull market, sure, Bitcoin jumped back up 5, 10x gains from its fresh lows. But if you're talking 50 to 100 to 1000x gains, those were meme coins. Those were brand new meme coins. If you're gearing up for the 2024 to 2025 bull market rally, you're going to see the same pattern repeat itself. Yes, Bitcoin will do very well as it is right now, but new meme coins, they have higher risk, but they absolutely have higher reward potential. Potentially will do those 50 to 1000x gains once again. Now, knowing that, let's take a look at a brand new meme coin here that is gearing up for launch, which absolutely has huge potential. Dogeverse, if you guys haven't seen it yet, Dogeverse has raised over $13 million, and this is the last chance to buy before it goes live. A lot of people have extremely high expectations that this price is going to increase upon the launch date, and you're going to see massive gains right off the bat. Why? Because it combines the best of both meme coin world and it combines the best of utility. Not only are you going to be able to buy Dogeverse on any of these chains, you are also going to be able to claim Dogeverse on any of these blockchains. Why these blockchains? Because they're the 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. Now, it doesn't stop there. Dogeverse is going to be a multi-bridge utility, which means that utilizing superior bridging technology, Dogeverse is going to be seamlessly multi-chain with just a few clicks with minuscule gas fees to worry about. Now, if you're not familiar with what a bridge is, it's very similar to a swap. D-Bridge is one that is already up and running. And let's say you've got BNB in your portfolio, but you want Solana in your portfolio. Simply bridge your BNB from the Binance Smart Chain or the Binance blockchain over to the Solana blockchain. Connect your wallet, make the swap, bridge it over. It is that easy to do so. And that is what Dogeverse is gearing up to do. Dogeverse is gearing up to combine the best of these dog meme coins with not Solana, but with any multi-chain bridge using these 6 most active blockchains out there. On top of that, if you're not a trader, you can still stake Dogeverse for 78% annualized passive income. So Dogeverse